In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve this error that whenever you're trying to upload anything on Udemy, especially I'm trying to upload a course image, but it shows you this message, invalid according to policy, and policy is expired. So how we can resolve this? Let's see. First of all, just make sure that you are in the correct date, correct time, and correct region. So we just have to make sure of that. So just right click on adjust date and time. And let me just set the time to automatic so that it can automatically update. And you can also synchronize the time so that it shows you the proper time and upgrades this to proper time, as you can see here. And now the issue should be resolved by just doing this thing. What you have to do is just refresh the browser or the web page, or otherwise just close out of Chrome and then re-log in and then try to upload the file. Let me just try it again. And now as you can see, it's working. Let me just crop the image and save it just like that. So this is a pretty straightforward solution. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please hit the like button. Also, if you want to learn more about Udemy, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.